Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video you are gonna learn how to fix stranger or other person who aren't um, in your contact list. They cannot able to see your profile picture. How can you fix this? So watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. So click on your Viber. So here you can see the Viber apps, and after that go to right bottom corner on your screen. So click more and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the option settings. So click on settings, and again click here the second option on your screen, privacy. So click privacy and scroll down a little bit, then here you can see the option show your photo. So when you see that it's unchecked, it means stranger and who are not in your contact list, they are not able to see this. So when you check it, click make it check or mark, then everyone can see your profile picture. Okay friend, I hope this video was short and um, helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.